this is my first video. I don't have a name for my channel yet, but I am going to be showing you guys a Nerf gun I got for Easter. And let's go ahead and show it. I already got the pack open, so I only have the attachments off. I'm going to show it. See? That's all my attachments. So, I got the whole attachment. And let me go get another one I got for Easter. Okay, going back, and now I'm gonna be showing you guys the what to do. So I need someone to hold this.
Your sister to hold it.
Huh?
Ask your sister to hold it.
No. So, I need you to hold it facing me. So when you, okay, so I'm gonna grab the gun and hold this back, put the clip in, and now I'm gonna put the attachable stock on, and the barrel. The handle, well, not that handle, the other one. There. And now we're going to this gun. So I'm taking the bullets out for you guys. And so we could actually, so let's put the bullets in a group of the same. And now we're going to talk about the gun first. So the gun looks pretty cool. It's really big too. See it? And this is how you do it. And then now, and also you can switch the bullets. So now it's only, right now it's only these. I don't know if you can see it that good. Now it's only elite. It's only elite right now. And then now it's on mega. So, now we're gonna load the bullets in. So right now we're loading the megas in. And the elite. And now we're ready. So we have, again, we can change the bullets. And so I guess that's all to offer you guys. And I'll see you next time. Good.